At the end of this video, you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your new business. Starting a cattle farming business requires strategic planning and dedication. Here are 50 tips to help you navigate the complexities and ensure success in this rewarding venture. Market research. Analyze demand for specific cattle breeds in your area to target profitable niches. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive plan outlining goals, budget, and operational strategies. Selecting breeds. Choose cattle breeds suitable for your climate and market demands. Quality breeding stock. Invest in healthy, high-quality breeding stock for a strong foundation. Fencing. Establish sturdy and secure fencing to contain and protect your cattle. Nutrition management. Design a balanced feeding program tailored to the nutritional needs of your cattle. Healthcare plan. Implement a proactive healthcare regimen with regular checkups and vaccinations. Water supply. Ensure constant access to clean water sources across your farm. Shelter. Construct comfortable and well-ventilated shelters to protect cattle from harsh weather. Record keeping. Maintain detailed records of breeding, health, and financial transactions for better management. Learn from experts. Seek advice and guidance from experienced cattle farmers or agricultural specialists. Risk management. Prepare contingency plans for emergencies such as disease outbreaks or natural disasters. Invest in equipment. Purchase essential tools and equipment for feeding, handling, and maintenance. Grass management. Manage pasture effectively for optimal grazing and forage production. Weaning practices. Establish proper weaning practices to ensure the health of young calves. Monitoring behavior. Regularly observe cattle behavior for signs of illness or stress. Breeding management. Plan breeding cycles to optimize herd genetics and reproduction rates. Marketing strategy. Develop a solid marketing plan to sell cattle and related products effectively. Financial management. Monitor expenses and revenue closely to maintain profitability. Join associations. Join local or national cattle farming associations for networking and industry insights. Continual learning. Stay updated on new farming techniques and advancements in cattle management. Hire expert help. Employ skilled workers or consultants for specialized tasks like veterinary care or accounting. Handling facilities. Build safe and efficient handling facilities for cattle management and veterinary procedures. Adapt to changes. Be flexible and adapt to market fluctuations and changing industry trends. Biosecurity measures. Implement strict biosecurity measures to prevent diseases from entering your farm. Culling strategies. Develop criteria for culling unproductive or unhealthy animals from your herd. Seasonal planning. Adjust management practices according to seasonal changes and weather conditions. Insurance coverage. Consider insurance options to protect your farm against unforeseen circumstances. Networking. Connect with other farmers, suppliers, and potential buyers for mutual benefits. Community engagement. Engage with the local community to build support and awareness for your farm. Grain feeding. Supplement pasture with grain feeding to optimize cattle growth and health. Environmental conservation. Implement sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact. Breeding strategies. Employ selective breeding to improve desirable traits in your cattle. Time management. Organize tasks efficiently to maximize productivity and minimize stress. Value-added products. Explore opportunities to create and sell value-added products like beef jerky or leather goods. Branding your farm. Develop a unique brand identity to distinguish your farm in the market. Employee training. Train employees thoroughly on proper handling and care techniques. Diversification. Consider diversifying by offering agrotourism or educational experiences on your farm. Online presence. Utilize social media and a website to showcase your farm and reach potential customers. Legal compliance. Ensure compliance with all regulations and permits related to cattle farming. Soil management. Maintain soil health for better pasture growth and grazing conditions. Veterinary relationships. Foster strong relationships with veterinarians for regular health checks and advice. Conclusion. Embarking on a cattle farming journey demands meticulous planning, dedication, and continuous learning. By implementing these tips, aspiring cattle farmers can navigate the complexities of this industry and pave the way for a successful and sustainable business venture. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no strings attached.